Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change residential address on Amazon for digital purchase. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your residential address for digital purchases on Amazon, all you gotta do is simply go and navigate to your manage your content and devices option. So you can go there by simply tapping on your profile that is on the right hand side. So once you do this, you can simply find this option called manage your content and devices. So simply tap on that particular option, and once you go to this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find an option called your addresses. Simply tap on your addresses, and after you have this, you can simply scroll down below and tap on settings on Amazon website. So once you do this, you will find this option called preferences. Once you tap on preferences, you can find country region settings. Simply tap on that particular option, and once you do this, you will be able to select your country and region again by tapping on change. After doing this, you can simply type in the address you want to change it, and once you have done, you will be able to change your residential address on Amazon for digital purchase. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.